In today's video, I'm going to decode how you can increase your calls from Google Business Profile up to 3x or like more than 3x in like next 90 days. So if you are running an SEO agency, or you are working with like you are a freelancer, or you are working with your local clients, local business owners, this video is going to help you. And that what after watching this video, whatever I'm going to like decode, or I'm going to like explain in this video, you will achieve like the top quality results for your clients. Okay, let's jump to the screen. So you can see here on my screen that I just pick one of the screenshot of one of my client, and you can see here like we onboarded the client on like September month, and like in just 2 months, like September, they had like around 70-75 calls, and the October month, we did experiments and like a lot of things go down. But look at the month November here, they get like 844% more, like the graph growth of the call. Okay, so uh, I divide some of the, like today's video, I divide in like 6-7 sections, different sections, and I will walk you through each one so that you can get more better understanding that how you need to optimize their website and as well as the GBP profile, so that you can get better results in next 90 days. Okay, you need to select the right business categories. So you all know that business categories is the most influential, like in the top 3 most influential ranking signal for local business. So if you just pick the wrong categories for your business, you are like you might lose the ranking. So if I just search for SE repair, and I'll find some of the businesses here. So just like you just need to install this Plepper extension. If you go to Google and search for Plepper extension, you will get the extension. You can download this extension. Look at like how, like this. Just install this extension. Like I have the paid version, so I don't need to download from there. Like I'm just directly download from this their original website. So after installing this extension, you will see here that for this keyword, most businesses, they have select HVAC contractor as their primary category. And you can also see here the this business is like they have selected air conditioning repair, the HVAC contractor, air conditioning contractor, HVAC again, like HVAC again. So HVAC and air conditioning repair service, these these are the 2 services which has the most weight for this keyword. But now you need to go deeper, one step from the other persons. They are doing, they just try to scratch the surface. You need to go deep, one step down, one step deep, and understand which category is most suitable for your primary services. So if your client said that they are like they want to rank only for the AC repair, they don't do the ventilation, they don't do the like heating or some other things, so you only focus on that particular term. So for this one, if I go and I search on the Plepper, I'm showing you the exact step I follow for all of my clients, so that you can get better clarity. Okay, so after having, okay, so now uh, you need to have this tool, and when you go and look at this, so now you need to go to this section, the most common services for HVAC contractor. So now you can see here HVAC repair, the repair HVAC, this exact service, like 102 listings, uh, all the listings, they have this one at the number 1. Then heating repair service, again repair, and look at here AC system repair, like 95 listings, they have like 95 listings who has select HVAC contractor, they have added this service. So I have made my mind, just that look at that number of listings on the maps. They already optimized their profile, and like how many times they have added this service. So I need to go and look at the another one also, so that so I can compare between two categories, and I can go and do some tests so that I can see which category I need to select as my primary category. So if I go to this one, so look at the numbers. There is only 26 listings. They have selected air conditioning repair service, and they have added AC repair system. Only 26, but the number is like the number for the HVAC number for the HVAC is like 95. So the number is very high compared to the 26. So I'll go with the HVAC contractor. You just need to like generate your grid before and after, so that you can see the comparison like while you are changing the categories. Okay, and uh, if you if you have seen the positive trend, then you can continue with that with the categories. Otherwise, you need to go and test some other combination of the perfect categories for your business. So that's the number one thing. Now the number two thing is optimize your services. So once you have selected your categories, now the second thing what you can do is you need to find out the best services, and you need to also optimize the services so that it can help your both users and Google's algorithm. They can decide that these are the services you have on your GPP profile, and the same services you need to have on the website also. So if I go on the maps, and if I show you the same thing here, I just need to search SEO user, and now these two are the sponsors, so we don't need to look at them. So it's my first organic listing. So I go to the services tab. We just need to copy all of these services. We just need to make a list of all of these. Okay, and we need to do this thing for like up to two three organic listings. Okay, we need to do this the same thing for two three listings. So after doing the same thing, we have a clear list of like common services, like under this category what services top ranking profiles has, and what we need to have, and what services we are offering. So like look at here, so like free consultation, free estimate. You don't need to add these things like in your profile. Like these are not the services. So people just try to manipulate the ranking, and like these things that doesn't work anymore. Okay, so this is the way how you can go and find out the category services, and just make a list of like 4 or 5 organic listings. They are ranking top for the particular area. Where do you want to rank? Just find out the common number of services, and then once you finalize the services, you just need to optimize like this. Okay, so there is space of like 300 characters. You can go and you can give the additional data about what you do for this particular service. Okay, so you can do also this thing. Now the third thing is you need to mirror your product as services. So use services as products, create the categories according to the locations, and link out to the right page to boost the authority of your page. So to just do this, what you need to do is you need to go to Google. You need to find, you can see here the categories here: AC repair KT, AC repair, AC heater repair, AC maintenance. So like I have like categorized my products with my main keyword plus my location, so that it has like clear visibility here that people can see, and it also influence your rankings like somehow. So you can also do that in the product section. You just need to go to products, then you can see all the categories here. So if I go to my product section, I need to edit. So look at here, these are all of these are my like categories I have created here. And if I take you down, look at here how many products do we have on our listing. If you click on this one, you can see here the category here, the AC repair Houston. Okay, so these all are the categories. So we have uh, created the categories, uh, the combination of main keyword plus the location tab. Okay, so you can also go and do that, and then you have like thousands character options here. You can fill these sections. You can add the relevant details so that Google can like you just by doing this you are establishing your relevance like uh, between your website data and between your product section on your GPT profile. The next thing is you need to optimize your FAQs. So FAQs sections is basically only to help the users. So whatever the questions they have, they can go to this section and they can read out that what services you are offering, your terms and conditions, like how frequent you are, like the working hours, opening hours, everything. So you need to optimize your FAQs also. So my recommendation is like you just need to optimize your FAQs while you are like having the local intent in the content. So you can just make this uh, uh, opening 75 like whatever the name of your business. So you can just append the location tag at the end of the FAQ. So I'm just the second thing is please don't grab the FAQs from people also ask sections. These are not for the local maps. They are only for the search rankings. They are only for the search users. So the users they are finding some help. They just want to get as precise informations about the business. Okay, they don't want to get the informations. Just please make like you just need to understand the thing is this they just need the information about their business, about their location. They don't need the general information. And the thing is you you can also do is you can optimize your FAQs for the services and the locations. So you can mention that uh, we offer AC repair service in Houston, we offer AC repair service in Katy, we offer this service in this location. So okay, our working hours for Houston, for Katy, something like this. So you can ask ChatGPT to create these kind of FAQs for you. So, and you can also start answering and adding these FAQs from your own account, from your manager account. So next thing is you just need to build the location pages in depth. So I already done with a video on the location pages. So you can go and watch that video. And in this section, I am just going to cover the basic things. You just on the location pages, you need to have the URL structure perfect. So your URL structure should be so your URL structure should be example.com slash then your location, like whatever the city and the area you are targeting. So in my case, like example.com slash physical therapist Dallas, physical therapist New York, whatever the location you have. Then we need to grab these details. So we need to grab the CID, place ID, KGM ID, zip code, driving direction, point of interest, transit data, things to do, and nearby places. So where from you get the details? So as I showed you earlier, on this location, like if I search for any of the, if I click on the any of the business here, it will automatically grab all the details for me. So it will grab look at the URL at the like top right, top bottom, like in the left section or bottom left section. It's my place ID, it's my CID, and then you can see it's my KG ID, and it's my CID. Okay, so place ID, CID, my business profile ID. You can also use this and then you can also grab the listings, Yelp search, Yelp data, Wikipedia nearby articles. You can get everything from just this free extension. Okay, so the next thing is we just need to optimize our Google business profiles. So like I have some different methods of just doing the Google business posts. So you can use your service plus location in the content. You can create some offer posts, you can add the relevant data, like you can add some links, like map data, and you can add the relevant images, and you can optimize the images by adding the like NAP data, the website, also the address. You can add these details on the image to make it unique and like more like relevant for Google, so Google can read the data on the images. So you are just directly feeding the Google that these are the entities of my business, and what we are doing. You can also add the keywords on the images also, right? And the last thing is, you just need to run the review campaign. So most people, like most agencies and most local businesses, they are getting the reviews, but like their reviews are not that much powerful. That could be okay. So the first thing is, ask customers to mention their location. So if you just imagine that you go to your customer location and you did your job there, so ask customer to that mention the area, mention the location of his like his house, okay, where you go and do the service. uh, Also ask him or her to mention the services, what services they took from you, okay. And you can also ask them that the experience, what was the experience, the customer satisfaction, how we deal with the situation. And the last and the most important thing is, you can also ask them to add some photos, to took some screenshots of the service. Okay, so let's assume you are a like a plumber, so you go to someone's house, you did some plumbing work, and you are just asking them to give you a review. So you can ask customer directly, took some screenshots of the service, whatever you did there. Ask her or him to add the location, add the services, experience, talk about the experience in the review, and then just go and post the review. So that way it will help you to expand the proximity of your business, expand the reach, the radius. So like if you are getting the reviews from 20 miles away from your business, where your business is located, so
Will start climbing on the Google Maps ranking. It's 100% works. Okay, so these are the things for today, guys. So if you have any questions related to this, please drop a comment below. And if you want to learn the more advanced things for the local SEO, you can reach out to me on my Facebook, and you can drop me a message, and I'll send you a link, so that we can jump on a like free one-to-one call, and let's see like how we can work together. And please, if you are loving the content, if you are liking the content, and if you are getting any values from the whatever the videos we are like I am like doing here, please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like the videos. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye, take care.